You're gonna probably have to.
Yeah.
Just watch his stream or something.
Yeah, I've started streaming now.
Why are they going in now?
Oh, they're going in. Should we join?
God,
our
I
team?
can't.
Yeah, join our team. Just go leave match. There's a leave
I'm
match
trying.
thing. Right, here we go.
Alright. I got.
Alright.
I'm back. No, I'm net.
I'll go for mid.
I'm now getting left boost. Nice, good shot.
Nice shot.
Nice. Well done. Let's go.
Let's go.
Good start.
Good
Connor, are
start.
you streaming right now?
Yeah, I'm streaming.
Okay.
And I've got the Discord server up. I'll stay.
Actually, I'm gonna go back for boost.
I'm in there. Then I'll go for left.
He's probably gonna up for something. I'll wait for another touch. I'm up now.
Nice. That's your
Okay.
stop. Oh, I'm lagging a bit.
I need boost.
Don't lag,
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
please.
Good challenge. Well done. He's there though. I got 100.
I'll challenge it.
Push that corner. Nice. I'll stay midway. I'll stay midline. I'll stay midline.
It's yours, Connor.
Put that way. Nice. Let's go. Well done.
Nice. Let's go.
Let's go, boys. Let's go.
Good start. Good start. That.
Nice.
Alright.
I'm going back left.
I got.
I'll try and get mid.
Oh, never mind.
I got it.
Nice.
Let's go. Well done.
Let's go.
Nice one.
We've all got to go now. Let's go. That's good. That's good. We got this, boys. We got this. Alright, I'll go for left.
I'll go back right.
I'll try to hit it left.
Alright,
It's the best I could do.
I got it.
I'm there. Ooh,
That's yours. Tom, that's
my
yours.
fault. Bad touch.
You got it? Alright, I'll stay in there. Oh wait, oh never mind, he's got it.
I'll go up. I'll go up. I'll go up.
Nice. Alright, I'll stay back. I'll play halfway. Nice
Nice
shots.
goal.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on.
It's so delayed watching it like this.
Yeah. Wait, what are you at?
You've only just scored the 4th goal.
Oh, okay. So there is a bit of a latency then. I'll stay in there.
There is. On most streams there is.
Alright.
Going up.
Nice.
Nice.
Oh, shot. Let's go. Come on.
Ooh, nice.
I got.
I'm gonna go back right.
Okay. I'll try to get it right. Oh, bad. Kick off, my bad.
Hit it towards you.
Nice. Go on. I'm not there.
Oh. Yeah, so
Wait for
Behind you.
bounce.
on your left.
Oh, awkward touch. Awkward touch.
Go out for the-
I'm going back for boost. I got 100 mid.
Double tapped it. Oh!
I'm there.
Nice.
Across to you. Unlucky.
Ah, try.
I'll wait for boost.
Catching.
I'll go
Going
boost.
back to net.
My fault. My fault.
Taking
Getting
out.
back right. Well done.
I've got no boost. Nice.
Nice shot.
goal.
Let's go.
Oh, someone followed. Yo, what's up, Cam?
That's you, Tom.
Yeah, I got.
I'll stay in there.
I'll continue.
Yeah, second touch on that, maybe.
Alright.
One more. I'll wait for his. I'll wait for his.
I'll play halfway.
Going back.
I'm up.
I'm behind.
Touch to corner. Challenging. That's mid. Ah.
I'll
I'm
try and get
behind
it
you,
mid
Connor.
again.
Just gonna make it like that.
Bump one of them. Bumps it again.
Going back. Nice.
I'm up again.
Oh, that's in. Nice.
Nice.
Let's go.
Let him score once. Brazil.
Should we?
No, no.
No,
Do
no,
it,
no.
do it,
Don't
do
risk
it.
We won't risk it.
We wanted to clear flawless, didn't we? So.
Let's mop the floor with you
Lovely
guys.
kick off. Is that in?
Oh, I thought it was. Nice. Bro, we're mopping the floor with them. Jesus.
Come on.
practiced
I've got
it
5
now.
goals, lads. Why was I nervous?
Yeah, you're carrying us. I'll go for left. Oh, I messed up. I jumped. Nice.
Ah.
I'm gonna do this. I'm
Easy.
gonna do this.
Unlucky.
Got.
Middle corner.
He's going for the challenge.
A bit too close.
Feel good. I'll
I'm waiting
challenge
for
it.
this touch
You
now.
guys.
Nice. I'm on left side. I'm
Got
lucky.
there.
I was
Boost
still
seven.
trying to say left.
Let's find him halfway line. I'll go for it.
That's you, that's you, that's you. I'll wait for his touch.
Oh.
Wow, whoa.
Ah. So close. Go on, that's in.
Good
Nice.
shot. Yeah, you can tell these guys haven't warmed up yet.
No.
They just got back from their lessons.
I'll stay in there. I got this.
Good challenge. I can't get no boost. I'm literally back. I'll try and hit this. I'll try and hit this.
And I'll stay in there.
I'm behind you.
Ah, I tried to play it low under him. I'm not there.
Yes, I got
That's you, that's you, that's you.
I'm middle again.
Another touch. Unlucky.
I'm still middle.
I got touch.
I got no boost.
Okay, another
I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait.
Okay.
I'll stay behind you.
Challenging.
Nice. I'll wait for that bounce off the wall.
I'm getting back left.
Put it over
Good,
him.
good challenge, good challenge.
Oh, I missed it.
I'm mid. I'm up.
Oh,
Ah, I'm too high, too high. Good pass though, good pass.
bumping.
I got.
I'm behind you now. On your left.
Nice.
Good touch. I'm gonna hit it, I'm just gonna hit it.
I got it. Never mind.
Unlucky, good effort.
I tried. I'll stay halfway. Oh, unlucky.
Down.
My fault, my
I'm
fault.
going back.
Alright,
Okay, you got.
faking. Punching
Nice.
off? No, okay. Not showing off.
I thought I didn't mean to bump.
Getting in his way. Still the boost.
I
Nice
tried
pass,
to
though.
make that easier.
Yeah, nice pass.
I'm gonna go again, I've only got 20 boost.
Alright, I'm mid.
I'll
Boost
get
and
out.
spawn. I'm just going back.
Oh, I thought he was gonna hit that.
To you, Tom?
I'll come to you.
I'm trying to get mid. I'm up. Too fast, way too fast, get in touch.
That was good, Risa. Go.
Wow, he hit that backwards.
Shooting it up. I'll try and get
I'm
enough
gonna
touch on
get
it.
this mid.
Oh, they will swift it. That's yours. Nice.
Let's go. 10 goals first game, lads. Come
Let's
on.
go.
Yeah, lads.
It's because we've been pressuring them so much. It's just
Yeah, they can't have. It's because they haven't played together yet. This is literally probably their first game.
yeah,
At least we got to say GG's though.
yeah.
I'm gonna put GG in chat,
We
even
still
though they
got
probably won't see
more
it from me.
games.
Yeah, but for first round.
GG's.
Can't. Whoa.
We got this, bro.
Going left.
I'll stay.
Alright, yep.
Sorry for taking that.
You're fine. You get there. You finish that.
Nice.
Lovely. Come on.
Lovely finish.
If you take my boost and put them away, I'm not bothered by it. Lovely goal. I'll go again. I'm gonna trip it right for you.
I'll stay in there again. Ready for the redirect? That's in. Never mind. Yeah, look.
I'm getting boost. I'm getting our back left. I'm nowhere to put it.
Oh, I missed it. My bad. I'll still the boost.
I'm waiting for his touch. I'm there.
Nice. Is that in?
That's not in though.
I'm in mid.
I'm lagging now.
Oh,
Good finish.
I'll go for boost.
I'm staying
Alright.
there.
That's definitely a fake.
That's yours.
Too much power.
Unlucky. I'll stay
I
back.
tried to get it softer. I'm gonna get back right. Oh wow.
To you.
Why now? Come on.
70.
Nice, good 50.
I'm in this. I'm
Alright,
in a
go
real
on.
one.
Try and get mid.
I'm in a real one.
Just hold it, just hold it. That's their best player, that's their best player. Another touch on that
From
maybe.
what we've seen.
Yeah,
I'll let him.
that's in.
Nice shot.
I feel bad. I feel bad.
Can't lie, kind of. They're getting rolled.
I feel bad for staying.
I just think it's unlucky they're against us.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean,
A good kick off there though.
I reckon if they
Yeah,
had
they
a
want you some,
they
yeah.
would have had more of a chance.
A better chance, definitely.
Oh,
Nice.
right. Oh, I thought I missed. Bro, I'm being
That's
carried
good.
this round. The fuck?
It's
You
good
got carried last round as well.
You have done stuff, but you haven't got any saves or goals or assists. That's why you're so low.
Oh, his ping.
I got it.
I'll stay back.
I'll go for boost. Oh,
Yeah,
nice
it's-
kick off.
He whiffed, he missed his. That's unfortunate.
They're nervous, 100%. I'll stay back. Nice.
I go again. Oh, you're there.
Oh,
Ah!
Still on the center.
I can't wait for his touch
challenging.
again. Nice, good challenge. You're there, Tom.
Oh,
Good
nice
shot.
goal.
Let's go.
Alright.
Did you like? You did.
Damn.
Oh, you popped it.
I'll stay in that.
The double commit kickoffs now.
Nice. Sure storm. Nice.
Good beat. I got 0, but
That's
Sure.
literally open.
Oh, dear.
oh my god, I got bumped.
I'm getting it to him. Oh, no, he's got that. Oh, dear. Oh, no.
I'll play there.
Sorry. What the hell?
Fine, I got it. Pinch. Ah,
Oh, so close. Nice. That's mine.
that's you.
Oh, it's a weak. I saw the
You
boost
just
though.
boost. Nice, Tom, nice. One's up.
That's mine. Oh! What a pinch!
Jesus. We're both middle.
Nice.
Ah, nice. Let's go.
Bro, that fake.
Can't believe you nearly scored that pinch.
Yeah,
Yeah, that would have been crazy.
that's yours.
That's the net.
I'm in that.
Oh, wow, he got a good touch there. I got done by that.
When you go up.
Good
Sandiego.
save.
And Sandiego again.
I get mid. I'm mid.
Oh, sorry, too hard.
I was reading the harder bit, but that's cool. Good challenge. I'm mid again.
Yours.
Oh,
Oh wow, that's so awkward. You just keep pressure on, keep pressure going. Good hit. I'll go. Oh wow, nice.
thanks. I'm mid.
Oh, yours, Connor.
Unlucky. Good
I'm
effort.
Too late, sorry. You go for that, I'll get a mid net. Nice. Oh, good.
I'm the center.
Wow. Well, I don't know what's going on anymore.
I can't believe I got that. Oh, I'm stuck on reviews. Never mind. No!
Alright.
Getting our back right.
Mate. That's yours.
Nice, well done.
A minute, sorry. Nice.
Go up to theirs. If anyone wants to smash
Tara.
out.
Left. Oh, unlucky.
Bro, all of my shots, man. There.
Nice.
Nice initial.
Come on.
Another 10?
Maybe.
Let's make it another 10.
This feels like bullying. I feel bad. I got. Oh, they messed up.
I'm on the ceiling. Oh, that could be good.
Oh,
Oh wow, that was lucky.
oh, he bumped me.
Oh, I tried to get a touch.
I'm in net.
Nice.
Nice. I'm on the left side.
Oh,
Oh, damn.
I was in there.
We can still get 10 goals here though, lads.
Go right.
My bad. Bad kick off, my fault.
So good.
Chucking techniques.
Go finish
Oh,
that.
no, skull.
Ah. It's all good.
Go on. This next one we've won.
I haven't been saving the games. I just realized.
Doesn't really matter. I don't think we need to review this gameplay as much.
Oh god. My game just shut down. I'm still on.
It's only been 15 minutes, lads.
I put my phone in. I forgot it was connected
That's
to
you.
the PC. I'll stay in there.
He's gonna beat me there. Oh, he's not even challenging that. No, he
Oh,
is.
nice
Come on.
challenge. Is that in?
Nice.
Ah.
I'm also
Something
streaming it as well, by the way.
Alright, nice.
I've got no boost. I got 100 now. Wait for touch. I'll wait for touch.
Alright.
Oh my. I'm mid.
Wait, damn it.
Nice. I'm behind you. Oh, that was a
Unlucky.
nice pass.
Nice.
I didn't know you were there. My fault.
I'm at the back.
I should have said.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna go middle boost.
Caught
Go touch on
guy.
that.
Maybe I tried it. I'm halfway.
Behind you.
I tried to bump him.
I'll go for it.
Turn on that corner.
Guy knocks down.
I got bumped. I got bumped as I jumped.
I hit it. I hit it.
What am I doing up here? Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah,
unlucky.
my bad.
Nice shot. It's all good. It's all good.
I shouldn't have been up there, man. What was I doing? I got.
I'll stay net.
Try and hit it right. That's pretty
Game for
fast.
the boost. Nice. I'm playing halfway.
My fault. Bad touch. Nice. I'm mid.
Nice.
Nice. Good pass.
Nice shot.
Ooh. I'll stay net.
Go left. Leave it.
Oh, he beat me to the boost though.
I bumped him.
Oh, it's yours. Nice. Oh,
I'll go again.
Centre.
I landed awkwardly.
I got the. I didn't mean to demo him.
Oh wow. What a save. Nice. I'll chase. I'll chase. I'll chase. Oh, he got there. Good pop.
Oh no. I'm not a boost.
I'm just gonna keep following the ball out like a little ball chaser.
It's good. It's working. Oh, unlucky.
Oh,
I had a lag, so I
I'm not
jumped.
going up for that. I'm not going. Nah, I will.
Well done.
I got.
Good weight.
Fine, I'm in yet.
Oh, you bumped me.
Cheers, lad.
Nice. Let's go.
Nice.
That's you. I'm gonna go back right.
I'll play it slow. Slow kick off. Oh,
Oh, terrible touch.
so good. It's not in.
Oh, thank God I got a touch there. Getting this mid. Unlucky.
Try.
Oh,
Oh, unlucky.
the shield storm?
I'm still in
Oh,
play.
no, never mind. Oh, I missed it.
I'll let him hit that.
I'm in net. I'm in net. I'm up.
Someone go.
Alright, I'm in it now.
Santu?
Let's go. That was
Come
kinda
on.
lucky there.
High five. Fast in place though.
I didn't mean to put that.
Oh my god.
I'll stay in net.
I got it.
Alright.
That's all.
Alright.
Ah, you beat me there. You got touch there. Nice.
Controlling.
I have nothing. My boost. I got boost stuffed.
Oh, I missed it.
Touch maybe one more to the right. Wow, what a save.
Come here. There
I was bumped you.
Oh
It's
wow.
fine, I'm in net.
You're there, you're there, you're there. Easy, hold on.
Nice.
I'm not there to finish it off.
That's
Is that
it,
in?
that's
Go
it,
on.
that's it. Oh, unlucky.
What a save.
Cool. Ah, nice.
Nice, let's go.
They've definitely stepped their game up since the first one.
Oh,
Yeah.
definitely, yeah. That big Dan guy stepped his game up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not enough.
Definitely
Yeah.
not.
No. At least this doesn't feel like bullying anymore.
Oh, we saved it.
I double commit, sorry.
Well, Ethan, you were worrying way too much about something you didn't really need to worry about.
Yeah, I realised that after the first game.
Did I?
The thing is,
Oh wait, I have
this
scored.
YT Flames guys, like he was champ 2 before.
Oh god, I need to just mute that quick. Wow. Considering... I'm still watching the final goal. Or the final bit, anyway.
GG boys.
Come on, let's go.
Nice! You said you wanted a flawless win, right? right?
Oh yeah. We conceded 2 goals that entire thing.
Wait, what?
Nice!
Oh, never mind. Now what?
Series winner. We just leave,
Nice, leave, done.
I think.
Nice,
Yeah, we should
not
leave.
gonna complain.
Yeah.
Wow.
I got another follow. Thanks for the follow. Whoever followed me.
That is Darcy.
I've got 4 people following me now. Well, 4 people watching me, I mean.
Yeah, I'm one of them. Darcy's one, Ethan, and I think Ben is.
I'm not watching it, what?
No, other Ethan.
Oh. Look at that, my game just crashed. My game just crashed.
That's
Nice.
good job it wasn't when we were in the middle of a game.
Well, that was very anticlimactic then.
I mean, I don't know what else. Oh, Rory might be watching actually.
What can I say?
What I'll do is if I close that,
Too easy.
load up that.
Come on, man. Who's that? Wait, is that all we've done? Then?
Right.
Is that, are we done?
That's
for the
That's
day
it, that's our game's done for
That's
today.
it, done.
That's it.
Damn.
And now that I've ended my stream, are you still streaming?
Right, I'm hopping off for a bit anyway, lads, so...
All right. See ya.
Okay. Have
I'll
you done
chat to you in a
streaming?
bit.
Good job, guys. Well played.
Well played, well
Oh,
played.
he's
Thank you for
streaming.
that.
Connor,
Yeah.
you still streaming it?
Yes, I am. What, should I end?
Yeah,
Should I end the
Yeah.
stream? Oh.
you might as well.
All right.
Because-
Thank you to the full viewers that are watching. For
3 now.
watching our destruct. I know. Watching us mop the floor. I know. Whatever.
Wow.
Come on. We. Yeah.
This is our debut.
Yeah. NRG, sign me, please.
Sign me for being the best sub ever, being quiet the whole game.
Oh.
Considering, I thought they would be pretty good, but they were pretty bad.
Hey yo.
I mean, it's after the game. We can say our opinions.
Yeah.
True.
Although, hopefully, the next time we go against them, they'll step up their game. Because I think they were doing what I said for you lot to do.
I mean, they adapted, and
Like,
you can
they're-
see.
They were purposely losing the first 2 games. And then on the third one, they thought, oh, let's just give it a go.
Yeah.
And they did.
That's
But they-
probably not the best thing to do, really.
No, because then they get put in the crappier rounds.
Yeah.
So that they can go against all the weaklings. Let's put it that way.
Yeah. But
Anyway,
they got destroyed. So. All right.
I need to go anyway.
Yeah. See ya.
See ya. If I can actually get